Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to recover deleted YouTube videos. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to know, if your channel has monetization enabled, you will be able to talk to the YouTube customer support and they might help you in getting your videos back. It is important to know that once you delete a video from your end, YouTube servers will also eventually delete it permanently. So if you contact them before they delete it, you will be able to get it back. Now the first step you'll have to do is to go into your browser and now go to studio.youtube.com and log into your YouTube account. Now on the left, go to the earn section as you have monetization enabled. Now here you'll see creator support and tools. Now click on chat and email support. After that, scroll down and go into chat in English option. Now here all you have to do is to paste your channel URL and explain to them your issue, that you want to restore a deleted YouTube video, and hopefully you'll get it back. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.